So I'm making this video. Just don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Just smash that like button. Sorry. So just smash that like button. So today I was playing this Hot Wheels, and suddenly I just playing with the car, and I found this awesome car which just is awesome. I don't want to tell you what it does, but see what it does. I'm telling you, this is awesome. In 3, 2, 1, boom. Let's try it again. Yeah. Let's try it again in 3, 2, 1. And that's what us can do. And if you want to see an awesome one too, I can show you that also. So this is gonna be on full power. When I was doing that was 3 power, because if I do it full power, it will just fly like, see this, on full power. In 3, 2, 1. So that's what it does on full power. So sorry I'm leaving the camera like this, but I'm just gonna get my car. So sorry. Oh, come on. Sorry guys, this might be the first thing YouTubers do on. So I'm just a local YouTuber, you know. I'm not so famous like those really lecture. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Sorry, it's full power. Just a waste of time. You know, it's difficult to do this. 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Boom. Let's do it. Try double. Why did it get stuck? We missed it. So that's it, guys.